Number 16, Hanukah, a holiday song. This is in C major. We have no sharps and flats, and we are starting on G and ending on C, which is part of the C major chord. So it looks pretty easy. We have some really fun countings: 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1, lift, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1, lift. And it repeats kind of like from the beginning. So some of the fingerings we have to look out for. Let's look at this third measure. So we're doing a 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. And so that's what I would like to really study, because I don't want to lift up all my fingers at once. I'm doing E, G, C, B, A. That was a little bit too low with that C. And so what I'm doing is I'm leaving that first finger there. 1, 3, 2. Then I move over that first finger, and you can kind of like roll in 1, 3, 2, 1, A. And I'm using that first finger on the D string to measure out where my second finger would be on that A string. 2, 2. 1, 3, 2, 1, A. So work that into your practice, because it happens for every line. No, the fourth line, we're doing a B, G, A, B. And I'm leaving that first finger down as I'm going to that G. B, G, A, B, C, B, G. And then I left everything up. And so I'm going to make sure that my fingers are being as efficient as possible. All right, so let's do Hanukah song with repeat, because it's good for us. 1 and 2, ready and go. Lift and low